Hey everybody, hope all is well and welcome to a new series here at the ShabinLife called Off the Cuff with DG2. These will simply be short vlogs on a variety of random topics to hopefully give you and us a needed break from the everyday house and homestead build. With that being said, let's just jump right into it.
We're going to start the series off with 5 things you didn't know about us.
Number 1, Dayna and I have been together for 24 years. We got married on our 13th anniversary. And we have a trivia question. We are not the same age. Can you guess who's older? Leave it in the comments below.
Number 2, we owned and operated an independent record label in the early 2000s. Most notably was our 2003 release of the Curbside Trail Mix compilation album, which featured a variety of local artists. Side note, you can still hear DeSoto Jones's music on some MTV programming, as well as Tom Brislin from Spiraling is the touring keyboardist for Kansas.
Woo! What's up, Tom? Number 3. Dayna and I lived and toured in a 19-foot Dodge Falcon motorhome, which was a Class B high-top conversion camper where we lived with our cat, Oscar. We like to think that we were a little bit ahead of our time with today's van life that you see all over social media. We also at the time maintained the RVsite.net, which was a killer resource for everything RV related, which included boondocking. And if you don't know what that is, it's like the 20th century version of off-grid.
If we still have our comprehensive RV checklist, we'll link it below. Number 4, we've watched at least one movie almost every day we've been together.
We're taking a page from the James Brolin, Barbara Streisand Book of Love.
We could probably talk about movies
All day,
every day. David's favorite genre is Westerns.
ShabinLife trivia question. Why did John Wayne always have a rifle round in the back of his holster? Leave your comments down below. Which brings us to number 5. Dayna and I have shared meals with everybody from the Beach Boys and Barry Gibb to Keith Urban and Kings of Leon. But
that might need to be for another
Off the Cuff with DG2. Bonus!
Number 6.
Dayna and I both have a third nipple.
And they're located in exactly the same spot. Not in a Total Recall kind of way.
Maybe too much?
I don't know. It might freak people out.